Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit. A must-have for every driver looking to stay safe and prepared on the road. This comprehensive kit is packed with essential resources like jumper cables, a reflective triangle and vest, a tow rope, and a tire pressure gauge, ensuring you're ready for any roadside emergency. But that's not all, it also includes crucial yet often overlooked items such as a safety hammer, an emergency blanket, a survival whistle, and a 47-piece first aid kit, so you're prepared for almost anything the road throws your way. The reliable jumper cables feature fully covered clamps with premium PVC material to protect you from electrical shocks, and their strong grip ensures they work even in cold winter weather. Plus, the foldable survival shovel, measuring 16.5 inches, is a versatile tool for shoveling, digging, hoeing, sawing, and chopping, complete with a carrying pouch for easy transport. The car repair tool set is another highlight, containing everything from a hammer and wrench to screwdrivers and hex keys, all neatly organized in a handy case for easy storage and portability. With the Vetoos Car Roadside Emergency Kit, you'll have peace of mind knowing you're equipped to handle any situation on the road. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.